50 intriguing psychological facts about women. Throughout history, men have grappled with unraveling the mysteries of the female mind. Indeed, the female psyche remains an enigmatic realm filled with untold secrets. The wiring of the female brain differs significantly from that of males, often presenting a challenge for men in understanding and navigating these intricacies. Scientific research has substantiated this notion, revealing distinct physical disparities between male and female brains. The brain comprises two hemispheres, the left and the right, each governing different cognitive functions. While the left hemisphere primarily handles logical processing, the right hemisphere governs spatial abilities, motor coordination, and musical aptitude. Studies have indicated that the female brain possesses a lesser quantity of gray matter compared to males, yet it is densely packed with neurons responsible for processing information. Consequently, despite the larger size of male brains, females harbor a higher concentration of neurons. Additionally, females exhibit a greater abundance of white matter, facilitating efficient communication within the brain. Scientists posit that these variances equip women with a swifter capacity to assimilate information. 1. Normal, healthy, adult women often become sexually aroused by words and communication, and their effect on the woman's inner mental process creates pleasurable emotions, and from this primary process follow the biological signs of sexual arousal. 2. Females have ambivalent feelings in regard to males who reward them by talking a lot and engaging in mutual gazing. 3. A woman is sexually aroused by the emotions created by going shopping and looking for red underwears for herself, especially if this happens in the company of a man who is able to describe with words the features of these clothes. 4. A woman is sexually aroused by successful businessmen who cause her to daydream about flying worldwide for the purpose of building successful businesses. 5. A woman sexually aroused by men who give her the feeling of being free and wild. 6. The female mind is more adept to reading body language and facial expressions than men. 7. Usually, women are naturally altruistic towards their children, and to a lesser extent, close family members. 8. Women are more susceptible to depression. Women are more likely to fall into depression because they often blame themselves for the negative situation that they are in. A study has concluded that the female brain activates emotion when they feel pain. 9. Women love to find humor in their life, and they enjoy funny anecdotes of everyday situations. They use humor to build a relationship and to display trust. They can personalize jokes and relate funny stories about themselves. Women, however, are sometimes skeptical. Researchers theorize that women analyze situations first and they don't expect anything to be funny automatically. 10. The truth is, women love to get compliments even if they don't admit it openly. Give her genuine compliments and see her smile grow. 11. Women love men who actually listen to their rants. Women do not expect answers all the time. Sometimes they just need someone to be there. 12. Women experience significantly more nightmares than men and have more emotional dreams. 13. 68% of women say they would have an affair if they knew they could get away with it. 14. Women spend over 4 years, in total, of their lives menstruating. 15. Women have more taste buds than men. 16. Girls don't like being stared at, unless they are already staring at you. 17. She is invested in you and does do things selflessly. When you show similar concern, you win her heart big time. 18. A woman will never like you overpraising another woman, even your mother. 19. Girls has twice as many pain receptors on their body but a much higher tolerance. 20. A girl cannot keep a secret for more than 47 hours. She would share with someone definitely. 21. Women's intuition is likely more biological than mystical. Women not only better remember the physical appearances of others but also more correctly identify the unspoken messages conveyed in facial expression, postures and tones of voices. 22. She responds to pain and anxiety differently. Women are more prone to depression, post-traumatic stress disorders and other anxiety disorders. 23. She hates conflict, but lack of response even more. 24. A woman's sex drive is much more easily upset than a guy's. 25. Women spend nearly a year of their lives deciding what to wear. 26. Women are better at reading faces, gestures, and voice tones, which makes them superior conversationalists and social leaders. 27. Majority of women choosing stylish presentation over comfort. 28. Women are worse risk takers than men. 29. Women take 15 days to fall in love. Men just 8.2 seconds. 30. A busy, vibrant, goal-oriented woman is so much more attractive than a woman who waits around for a man to validate her existence. 31. The woman who does not require validation from anyone is the most feared individual on the planet. 32. 15% of married women cheat on their spouse. 25% of married men do too. 33. Women with higher IQs have a harder time finding a mate. Intelligent women would rather remain single than be with the wrong person. 34. Women are more attracted to a man who pays attention, someone who remembers details about them without having to be reminded. 35. 80% of women use silence to express pain. 36. If a girl likes you, she will always play with her hair while talking to you. 37. Women think about their appearance around 9 times a day. 38. Only 2% of women describe themselves as beautiful. 39. When a woman stares at you after you've explained yourself, she's actually wondering why you're lying. 40. According to a study, a woman is more responsible to romance when her stomach is full. 41. Studies show that women are more attracted to men wearing blue, while men are more attracted to women wearing red. 42. Women use silence to express pain. You know she's truly hurt when she chooses to ignore you. 43. Women are more influenced and persuaded by a man's sense of humor than his looks. 44. If you want to know whether someone likes you or not, try to make them laugh. If the laughter comes easy, the answer is likely yes. If it doesn't, the answer is likely no. 45. The male brain is 10% bigger than the female's, but the female brain works more efficiently. 46. It takes 3 to 4 years to completely get to know someone. Couples who wait for this length before marriage are less likely to divorce. 47. Generally, a woman will only argue with someone she truly cares for. Arguing less occurs when she is less interested. 48. When a woman is attracted to a man, she speaks in a higher pitch than normal. 49. Women are automatically more attracted to guys who make an effort to start the conversation, showing initiative and consistency. 50. When a man first approaches a woman, she will base 7% of her initial impression on what he says, 38% on his style of speaking and 55% on his appearance and body language. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.